Hey guys, welcome to Math Channel. Subscribe to our channel for more. 72 divided by 6 times 6 plus 6 in parentheses. 6 plus 6 gives us 12. Now 6 times 12 gives us 72. And now 72 divided by 72 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, we have to solve this expression in this way. First parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and addition and subtraction have equal priority too. Now, according to the PEMDAS, in first step, we have one parenthesis that we have to solve it first, not this multiplication and this division. If we do this division and this multiplication first, it is wrong. So we have to start with these parentheses. 6 plus 6 gives us 12. Now let's rewrite the expression. 72 divided by 6. And we have one multiplication here and 12. Now, in next step, we have one division and one multiplication. And as we know, multiplication and division have equal priority. So we have to work from left to right. Now, we have to start with this division, not this multiplication. 72 divided by 6 gives us 12. At the end, we have 12 times 12. So, our final answer to this expression is 144. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.